All right, guys, so I have to talk about this beast right here. This is the Instant Pot 13-in-1 Duo Crisp. So basically, guys, why I love this bad boy right here is because it is actually an air fryer and a pressure cooker. This guy has made air frying and pressure cooking like the most fun thing in the world for me. I'm just going close and show you guys some of the settings here. All right, so right here you have air fry, roast, broil, bake, dehydrate, proofing. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I really only use air fry, roast, broil, pressure cook, and slow cook. But guys, this thing is crazy. Let me just actually give you guys another view. So let's go down. All right, so I will just open this bad boy up. And pretty much up here, this is the air fryer section. So it also has a, let me just take this out for y'all. It has a section right here, which you attach on if you want to actually pressure cook. Easy, just drag and drop. Okay, great. So now it's fit for pressure cooking. Whenever you're pressure cooking, you just take out this air fryer section right here. But guys, it makes cooking a cinch. Like, I don't know what you guys normally cook, but whenever I make like peas that has to be like pressured or like goat, it makes it so soft and like nice in just a matter of minutes. This thing has drastically cut down my cooking time. It's absolutely amazing. It's not hard to wash. You just take out the pan like this. This is the pan that it comes with, fairly big pan. I don't need anything bigger than this because, I mean, to be fair, I'm just cooking for me and maybe like one other person, but it's huge and it does everything super fast. I absolutely love this thing right here. It's just made cooking just perfect for me. So I mean, if you guys are looking for an easy solution to your cooking needs, highly recommend this pot right here. I'd love to cook a meal. Probably I'll do another video and cook a meal showing you guys. But trust me, it will make you cook in a matter of minutes. And it just makes everything super soft and nice. And it just kind of makes cooking not as hassling as it normally would be. So I highly recommend. Again, if you want to air fry, you just have to take off a top piece right here. Comes out very easy to wash. Everything is cooked in this pot. You just use this right here. And if you don't want to mess up the grill, you can always put like parchment paper on it. But trust me, I just love this. This has been essential for my cooking. I just make cooking absolutely amazing. So yeah, definitely, if you need an Instant Pot, check this guy out.